You strive for fuller power chords? Well, you might have your signature guitar sound. And as for that, you're going to double the guitars within the chorus. But you're still missing some richness and maybe definition. The fuller power chord. But there are some strategies you can do instead of just layering the guitars and ending up with a bloody, muddy mess. Let's take a look at it. So we start up miking a nice setup consisting of amp and cabinet. And the first thing we want to record is the power chords themselves. So the next step is recording power chords 1 octave up with the same setup, the same guitar and the same sound. You want to kickstart your career in the audio industry? Improve your producing and mixing skills now with the Hofer Audio Diploma, the best online course in audio engineering and music production. During our special offer, you will save up to 30% and get the upcoming podcasting course for free. Step number 3 is grabbing yourself a bass. Reduce the gain a little bit to have more impact and more attack on the single notes you're going to play. Because you choose to play the same octave as the root note of the power chords and then record the bass. So here we have our DAW and our 3 recorded tracks. First the power chord, the high octave and the bass. So let's listen to all of them. First the power chord. Okay, let's see what the high octave adds to it. This enriches the spectrum of the sounds and lets the overtones shine. And finally the bass adds more definition to the attack of the chords. Now I'm very curious how it sounds with the full band sound, including drums and bass, and of course doubled guitars. So let's check it out just using the basic power chords. And now compared with the add-ons that are doubled as well. Nice. So as you can see, it's not always about layering your guitars to death or adding a synth to your production. But if you're interested in more recording tips and tricks and music production in general, check out our courses at hofer-college.com.